So, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm also doing great. So, I would like to just know about you something.
Yeah, of course. Okay, my name is Pooja Sahu. I am connecting with you from Delhi, talking to my
Okay,
colleague. So I have done 10 pass as well as some basic knowledge. Okay, I have done.
okay,
Apart from that, I am learning this language. Talking to my hobbies. So reading book and dancing, listening music, and I am married and yeah.
okay, nice.
I
So,
also
I
like
would, yeah,
also.
I would like to introduce myself as well. So, as you know, my name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura. I'm a
Matra?
homemaker. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. And I'm a homemaker and as well as I run a YouTube channel. And if I tell you about my qualification, then I have done my graduation and I'm blessed with two kids. My son is in 10th class and my daughter is in ninth class. And if I talk about my hobbies, then my hobbies are reading books and singing songs, cooking food, painting, and I'm very much fond of dancing. This is all about me.
Nice introduce. Okay. Okay, you are from Mathura.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you ever come to Mathura?
Yeah, I didn't visit. Okay, but
Okay.
yeah, I have visit only Bindavan.
Okay, okay. Like Prem Mandir
Prem
and
Mandir.
Bake Bihari Ji. Okay, okay. So I think you have never ever come to have a vision of Lord Krishna in Lord Krishna's birthplace temple, Krishna Janam Bhoomi temple. Have you come
Mm-hmm.
over here?
Yeah, I think I go.
Okay,
You know, I didn't because Vrindavan. So I went by train. Okay,
okay, okay,
I entered Vrindavan. So yeah, I saw Krishna ji.
okay,
Yeah. I don't know what did they say.
it's okay, it's
Okay.
okay.
Hmm.
So anything you want to ask? Anything? Then go ahead.
Mm-hmm. You are speaking something.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just telling you that if you want to ask anything to me, then just go ahead. Ask anything.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, tell me one thing. What when have you long
It's okay,
how
it's
long have
okay.
you learned this language?
About, are you asking about this English learning journey?
How long have you been learn this language?
Basically, it's been 3 years. I have started making my own videos since 2021. I think the month was June. And yes, I am very much fascinated about this English language since my childhood. But I didn't have, such, I would say, the atmosphere. But I will not, blame that about that atmosphere because it was my fault, and I need to. That moment, I needed to put an kind of, effort. I should have done something like that, doing such speaking, practicing, and all the things. But I never ever did any kind of such things. So this was my fault and I accept my fault, my flaws and my shortcomings, that I did not do such things. Now since I'm very much aware of this fact, that what can I do to learn this English language, like I since I have started making my own videos and uploading those on YouTube channel, so I thought let's do it. And I used to talk to myself and make my own audio recording. First of all, I started like this, and again after that I started like making my own video recording, then uploading all the things on YouTube channel. That's how I started doing such things. And a couple of days ago I decided that I think I should talk with people, like doing such things, having a video call and talking with the other people to get to know other person, so that I can improve my way of speaking. Because when we talk with other person like this, since we are having a video call, so I think we can build up our confidence that moment.
Yeah. Hmm.
That's why I decided that I need to do such things like that.
Yeah. What kind of what kind of making video?
I make videos, like sometimes I have made such topics, like talking about some vocabularies. Very rare I make such kind of videos, but yes, I would say the content is like talking about myself, about my journey, about whatever I'm doing right now, or whatever has happened with me earlier or happened with me throughout the day. I just say all the things in my video, as well as I just you know have such kind of content, like in which I have to talk about how to think in English, whatever I feel about this English language. I just go ahead and talk about those things.
Okay. It means you don't upload conversation video?
Earlier I haven't done things like that. As I told you, I am doing such things from, it's been I think 10 to 12 days, and three videos I have uploaded so far.
Okay,
Earlier
that's
I
nice.
haven't I would just generally I would just saying this fact to you, that I never ever had thought this kind of idea that I need to do such things. And apart from this, I didn't have any clue how to start it, how to connect with people, mail them so that they can uh, response me back. I needed to approach them, and how to do it was going my mind. So I was in a fix that moment, that how can I really start it, from where I can start it. So anyhow I just took this decision that I need to do it. I need to have such kind of conversation with people.
Sometimes it's very difficult search for someone and talk with someone.
Yes,
Regular, yeah, regular you cannot talk with someone.
yes,
Sometimes.
yes. How did you start your journey? You tell me.
Okay, yeah, I have been starting this language since 1 year. Yeah, and speaking parts 6 months.
Okay,
I,
okay.
yeah, and yeah, no, yeah, I am practice on yourself. Okay, at home
Okay.
and uh, ask one thing. Did you take any application?
Like to learn English language?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, no, I
It's
don't take any. No.
okay. So where did you learn?
I have, as I told you, I have learned this language by my own, by myself.
Same thing,
I
same.
never ever go through. I never ever go through any kind of app or something. Okay, I just started it. Making such videos, conversational videos. A couple of days ago, I have started it. Okay, so that's why I'm making these kind of videos. And earlier, before that, I never ever thought of this, that I should do such things like having a conversational video, something like that. Okay, I never ever done that.
Okay, same thing. Yeah, I didn't take any application. Yeah, institute. I am learning from only YouTube, and I watch conversation videos and grammatic rules, method. Yeah, I have yeah practice on that.
So what is the most favorite thing when you try to learn English language, like reading things or listening things? What do you like the most?
Mostly I listen. Mostly my favorite thing is listening because
Okay.
yeah. First of all, you have to listening. You
Yeah, I'm understanding you.
yeah. Yeah, first of all, I have started only listening. That time I didn't yeah, I know grammatic rules like tense,
Okay.
present and future. Yeah. After that and apart from that, I didn't know any. I didn't know anything that time.
Okay.
Yeah, nowadays, yeah, I am practicing speaking and as well as I am practice rules like grammatic rules.
Okay. So do you have your channel on YouTube?
Yeah, I have a channel, but no, but nowadays I am not upload.
Okay, you are not uploading them. Okay.
Yeah.
So you want to learn English language, like more than that. This kind of capacity to speak in English right now you are having. You want to just improve. If you want to improve your spoken skills, so you want to learn from somebody else's. Is it so,
Yeah.
or you want to do it by yourself only?
No, I am learning on myself.
Okay, you want to just learn by your own. Okay,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
by doing such conversational video talk.
Like a
Yeah,
conversation. Yeah,
yeah.
I watch videos like have you heard that name Chandan sir?
Yes, yes. I know
Yeah.
him.
Yeah, mostly
He's
I
very
watch.
good. He's very
Yeah,
nice, decent person, I would say.
yeah. So I like sir videos. You know.
Yeah, I'm very fond of listening him because in each and every videos of his, he he clear everything. He has the clarity. Whatever he is explaining things, like if it comes to grammar portion or any kind of vocabularies, he explains in a so clarity. With a clarity, he explains all the things. People can relate with him so easily, so effortlessly, I would say.
I like watch that video like rapid fire, and when he started and ask his students only rapid fire, and he started storytelling. Okay,
Yeah,
and
he's doing a
I,
great job actually.
yeah, so I like them.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
The way of teaching, his way of
yeah,
teaching is so good. People
yeah,
can
is
just connect with him so easily, understand him
mm,
so easily, whatever he's trying to say or explain something.
yeah.
So earlier I used to watch his videos for the clarity of some grammar portion. Just
Mm-hmm.
because of that, I used to watch some of his videos. I remember. I think
Yeah,
it's been.
rapid fire and doubts, everything, everything's are upload on YouTube channel and online teach
Yeah, yeah.
his student.
So
And
tell me, this time what are you doing or what you want to do? Like having completed this session, what would you do after that?
yeah, I'm watching conversation videos and practice.
Okay.
Sometimes grammatic rules I learn from YouTube. Okay, when it's come to listening part, so I get stuck, and sometimes I don't understand how to explain my thought.
Yeah, this happens, and you are not only the one person who is having such kind of obstacles. I would say this is a hurdle. I would say. So this is not a big deal, and don't assume it as a big deal that that's a big thing I need to do. No, it's not a big thing. It's all depends on how much speaking practicing are you doing, and if you are doing like having such a conversational video talk with so many people on every single day, that will benefit you a lot, because that moment you build up your confidence, and that moment you will find that you are being able to just explain all the things in your words so easily. So it's very good, having such a conversational video talks. That's very good, and it can improve your spoken skills so easily.
Yeah, first I have talked first calling my video calling Escape app. I think had that ma'am name Mansi ma'am.
Yeah, I heard about her little bit.
My first video calling with her, and that
Okay.
time I am very hesitation and shy, and yeah, I don't speak a single word that time,
If
and
I
I'm very
if I want to correct you, then can I do so?
okay.
If I want to correct you, then can I do so? You were telling that I am hesitation. I am hesitant. I am
Hesitant.
hesitant because you were feeling that kind of hesitation. That moment you were hesitant, not you are hesitation.
Okay, hesitant.
Yeah, hesitant. I was hesitant doing such things like that. You can say so, okay. So I was hesitant. Yeah, I am hesitant right now because I'm talking with you in English. That's a big deal for me. So that's why I feel hesitant. Likewise, these kind of sentences you can say, but the word will be used like hesitant, not hesitation. That in
Oh,
that context that were you trying to tell. So there we will use hesitant, not hesitation. Okay.
okay. Thank you. Telling,
So
बताने
anything
के लिए.
anything you want to ask me or something?
Okay, I want to ask one thing. Okay, who wants to beginner speaking part? So how to start? First of all, what did say? What should be they? क्या करना चाहिए starting? I want to
If
say.
if a being a beginner and if
Yeah,
he
be a
wants
bit.
to learn in English language, if he wants to try to speak in English, what he need to do that moment?
Yeah.
First of all, anyone who is a beginner tries to have a good command over English language. Then here, this is my way of thinking that first of all we need to just have that basic grammar knowledge, like tenses. Okay, tenses. We must know about tenses. What are tenses? How can we use tenses? So we need to have that clarification about tenses. Okay. When it comes to speaking English, we must have that kind of knowledge about basic grammar rules. That's important. We cannot say that grammar is not important. Grammar is important to make the sentences, to frame the sentences. You want to frame sentences in your mind, first of all, since we speak all the time Hindi. And English is not our, mother tongue. So we need to think in our mind and then we translate it. If anybody is beginner, first of all, they do such things like that. I also used to do such things like, first of all, translating all the things in my mind from Hindi into English. So first of all, we need to have that capacity to frame sentences, construct sentences, okay? And for this, we have the basic grammar rules knowledge. Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm, I know.
Yeah. So once you have the, basic grammar knowledge, a little bit day-to-day words, vocabularies you must know. Like I'm reading, I'm jumping, I'm swimming, or I want to do such things. I don't like that person. I want to go there. I want to have some cup of tea. Okay, like this. We need to have such kind of clarity in our mind that what we need to do while framing sentences. Okay, we need to have that kind of clarity that okay, here is use. I will use is. I will use am. I will use were, was. I need to have that clarity about those. So for this, we need to have tense knowledge, grammar knowledge, basic grammar knowledge, which is all about tenses. Okay, so we need to have that clarity about tenses. Okay, when once we are so much clear,
Hmm.
then we can just go ahead and start to speak some short sentences, simple short sentences use, like we can do a daily conversation with ourselves. If we don't have any partner to talk with in English, what can we do that moment, like if I, let's say I'm talking about myself, okay, that I don't know what to do. I need to speak in English, and how can I have a good command over English language? What can I do? So when I wake up in the morning, I need to just whatever I'm thinking, like I'm going to the washroom, I need to just wake up both of my kids, I need to prepare the breakfast, I need to just prepare the lunch for my husband, I need to go to take a shower, I need to do I need to go for the veneration. Veneration means worshipping, puja karna. Worshipping, that means veneration. Okay, I need to go for the veneration in my veneration room, puja ghar, veneration room. Okay, worship room. Okay, so these kind of sentences we need to frame in our mind when it comes to, if, and this is possible once you have the willingness. First of all, you must have the willingness. If you are so much willing, full that yes, I have to do this. I have the passion about this English language and I need to learn this language. Once you have this kind of feeling, then you are doing just going to do such things so easily. It will not take so much time, okay? It will not take long. You will do it. I think in a month you can have a good command. So good command in a, on a stretch you will have that command that yes, right now I'm being able to do such things. In a month you will see the result, I would say, once you start doing such things, okay? And don't think about making mistakes. I'm also making a mistake a lot of time. You need to just become so much confident, okay?
Yeah, I know grammatic rules, I know, but na it comes to speaking, so I get stuck, and that time na I don't understand how to make and how to sentence use. Sometimes
Okay.
yeah, I make mistake every time.
That, see, that's not a big deal. That's not a big matter of concern, okay? You have to just do whatever you are doing right now. You are sitting on your bed or you're
Yeah,
on your couch, okay? And maybe you want to have a glass of water or a cup of tea, so just talk in your mind, say it in your mind, talk with yourself that, oh, I just don't like, I don't feel like going in the kitchen. I wish somebody would take a glass of water for me. I feel like taking a glass of water. I don't feel like going in the kitchen because I'm feeling a little bit ill. I don't feel like anything
yeah.
you can add up there. Okay.
I do at home. Yeah, I practice on myself. Okay, but but sometimes when ask other question, so I get stuck. Sometimes I don't have any vocabulary,
Yeah,
lack
this
of
happens,
vocabulary.
and yeah, this happens that we can talk on a on a day to day topic. We can talk like a friendly conversation we are having. We can talk. So why do you need such a big topic? Initially, in a starting, you have to work on your day to day talk. Okay, like you are talking with your husband or you are talking with your kids or any one of your like your friends, your relatives to whom you feel so closed. That friend is so close to me, so I can talk with her like that. So you can just start with day to day conversation. Okay, I don't feel like this, so I wanted to let's I just it just got into my mind that let's talk with you, so that I feel much better because I was not feeling well, or I have such thing in my mind. I thought that I should share it with you. These kind of thing you can share, but start with day to day talk, not a big topic. You don't have to choose such a big topic, okay? I also don't talk on a big topic, okay? Since it's my initial stage to have such conversational English talk, that's why I'm just doing day to day talk or whatever I have had earlier in my mind or I have been doing earlier. I say it. If you want anything to ask me, then go ahead, or else I wind up this session.
Yeah, I just I want to ask a little bitty that ki how to
Yes, yes.
start speaking generally. Sometimes yeah, I talk. I every time I talk yeah, in my on myself at home. Like I am sitting yeah on the bed, and I don't like I don't feel like going to the kitchen. I don't make any
Kind of dishes.
yeah. Yeah, I need a sentence, but
Okay.
but someone asked other questions. So yeah, that time I have taken 10. Yeah, I have taken 10 session. Okay,
Okay.
3 days. Yeah, 3 days. Okay,
It's been three
and
days.
I
Okay.
that yeah, and and that time yeah, I get stuck and I'm hesitated
Okay,
that time.
okay.
To
It's okay. It's okay.
yeah, 5 session I have taken 5 session. After that yeah, I am talking front of you, so
Okay.
little bit I confident. I have a
You feel
confidence.
confident. Okay. You have that confidence. You feel confident. That's really nice and sounds so good that you feel confident much better earlier than that. Okay. So now, anything like if as you were asking me that how can you have a good command over English language, then I would just tell you, just follow this path, which is all the time speak in English. Listen things. whatever you want to listen, like a podcast or anything, but you have to work on, you have to just put in efforts, okay? Like just do it on a daily basis, like as we are doing right now, having a conversational video talk. So do things like that on a daily basis. Automatically you will feel like that I feel more and more confidence within myself, okay? And you can connect with me whenever you get time, okay?
Yeah, I think I have to take session every day.
Yeah, surely. Absolutely, whatever you are saying is right. Yeah.
Yeah, because of lack of practice, speaking part, you increase your speaking skills. Every day you talk someone, other people. You have started and someone
Yes,
ask
yes.
another question and you have to answer with them in a different way.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, that. But sometimes vocabulary I have I don't have any vocabulary, so that is
It's
why.
not a big deal, as I
Speaking on
earlier told you. It's not a big deal. You know what? You need to just appreciate that. I just want to give you a compliment that you retained your way of speaking in English. So far, you are just trying to speak in English, not in Hindi. I think one word or two, one sentence you used in Hindi, and overall you used all the sentences in English. So this is a big deal, okay? Because you continued in English language. That matters. I think it's been 20 to 22 minutes, I don't know. So, and you retained your confidence of speaking in English, and that matters. So you need to just pat yourself like this. I have done a
thank you.
great job.
Yeah, yeah. I sometimes I feel yeah I proud of my yeah.
Yourself.
I can
Yeah.
speak little bit, not fluently, but I can speak and I can understand everything, whatever they are speaking.
This is commendable because you are being able to understand people, whatever they are saying in English, and you are being
Yeah,
able
I
to respond
understand
them back in
everything.
English. That is commendable, I would say.
यार you your voice it's a मतलब बहुत slow आवाज आ रही है, so I
It's okay,
cannot
it's
hear
okay.
properly.
Whatever you did so far, like you continued in English language, that is commendable. That's all I wanted to say. So I need to say this, we have to just wind up this session for the time being, okay? We'll connect some other day, okay?
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course.
It was
Okay.
nice talking with you.